All right, March 12th, 2026. Market opens up soon. I'm gonna go over price action from yesterday. Um, Trying to figure out how to get into these trades because I didn't have a clear level. Actually, I did. So let me stop lying. Just open it up. All right, so the price had some levels where I had potential opportunities to enter in, right? I was looking at this level right here. This is a 5 minute level. This 6770. I was like, I want to see price come down to this, and then a new level appeared up here that was like 6800 area, I believe, where price bounced off of, and I was trying to capitalize on that, but I couldn't figure out how to read it. It was hard for me to actually read it. So market opens up. I want to see price come down to here because we have a lot of strong volume here. This one here, that's where I have that. Also right here on the 25 and on the 50 tick chart, right? Absorption here, right? So I'm looking for absorption to come back to this for me to enter, right? So here goes price, absorption right here, right? I was like, I probably could take this, but I don't really have a level, right? I see the price action happening, strong buying or strong selling here, um, but I don't have a level here, and this needs to be. I need to see selling first up here, 30 minute time, 5 minute time frame. So I want to see selling first before I even enter. All right, so this is just a hypothetical. Put that there. All right, now selling. Now I could probably look for an entry. All right, look for a rejection, which this would be this one right here. Stop loss right there. All right, buying, reclaim, maybe enter. That would be it. All right, let's see how that one works out. All right, stop loss right up here. Let's keep an eye on that one. Let's see. Oh, fucking shit. There you go. All right, got the absorption. Buying came in again, failed, enter. All right, this is the one I believe was one of them. Got the absorption, buying, right, but the absorption is there. Looking for it to fail, it failed. Came back again, retested it, right, because this is what I would buy. I need this buy to get clear. Let's see if that buy got cleared before the yeah, it probably did, because yeah, see the buying got cleared here. Bow bow bow, this buying got cleared. Bow bow bow. All right. Price cleared it, retested it. That probably could be that second entry. Take price down to the opposite side. The fuck is all this? All right, nice little 6. This is 12, maybe 14 points. All right. Yeah, maybe 14 points. Okay. If I got in that one there, maybe 20 points, 20 something. Yeah, 20 points. All right. Now, price comes back up to this. All right, doesn't give you an entry, goes higher. All right, sells off. Okay, what are we working on? Got an absorption here. Maybe this candle we retested. I don't know. I can't really make sense of this. Right, strong absorption here because price really just decided to just pummel to the top. All right, maybe there. Right, maybe. I don't know. Idea. Now price is here. We got a strong selling. I want to see price kind of retest this. I think this is where I was getting interested. Looking for a nice rejection. I don't like that candle. Right, I want something like buy, sell, or hammer. All right, like this. All right, kind of set it. Boom. That would have been good. All right. Don't like that. All right, maybe that candle, but not my cup of tea. But that candle right here maybe would have been it. But I don't like how it looked. But fucking shit on me, right? Gone. All right, now we're coming down to my level of interest, right? So I couldn't figure out how to enter any of this trade. Strong buying, right? I need to see buy come in, so I'm not interested yet. But strong buying, all right, bet. Absorption, entry right here is where I want to come in at. Buying comes in, price comes right there, would have been an entry. Missed that opportunity. This shit went, I believe, all the way back up to at least this level right here, right? So 75, 85, 95, 20. Right there would have been an exit. So now we'll come back to this. Strong buy, strong volume coming in. I'm interested in taking it short. Okay, that happened. Well, fuck taking it short. Alright, price is doing some weird shit. Eventually I do get into a trade, so as long as this is right here, I know I'm not in the trade yet. It's 11:04. Opportunity miss. 1, 2. I think I was looking at that one. 3 opportunities missed, right? 3 opportunities that were missed. So now I'm like, how do I get into this trade? I don't see anything. 11:16. Price sells off. Strong buying. I think I just entered here. I feel like I just entered here. Yep, I did. I was just like, fuck it. You know what? This is happening. Got buying here. It's not absorption, but got buying again. Fuck it. Enter here. Bye. Let's give it a shot. Not the best, but we are holding this here, even though we're already retested and moved. We're holding this here, maybe, and I'm just trying to move this to break even as quickly as I can. This is kind of where I want to get out at, right about up here. I'm gonna adjust it to the proper size. So now we have this 200. Market opens up soon. All right, price is up 300, and I thought I was about to just close this shit out. Get my 300 and just bounce. Right, I'm at 50 points here, but just get the 300 and then call it a day here. 325, 337, so probably 350, right? The highest. And if they think that's where the most it went, after that, price just rejected, took me out. I should probably enter back in, but no. Thought about entering here, but it didn't seem like a right place to enter. It wasn't a level. Alright, I needed price to move up and come back and retest. Price did move up here and retested that way. Price did move down a little further, but not too far. And then I walked away from the market and it did its own thing. Alright, so quite a few potential setups, not good executions on my part. So I'm just going to start setting up the chart now. Try to do something better. Hope I can do better today. No rush. Oh, this was zero prints. What do we hit? Okay. It was hard to find any levels for this because price was just basically doing some weird shit the entire time and still doing weird shit still to this day. Daily candle, this is what we had before and this is where we stayed. So I think we're gonna go down lower back to this 6600 area. 4 hours back below this absorption. Look at that. 1 hour potential area, but needs to see absorption here. Don't see it. I think this here is the only strong volume I see coming out of this area. So I'm going to see what's happening in that candle, but 5 minutes. 30 minutes. 15. Maybe something up here in this 15. This here, this here. Hmm. This one just basically blocked it out. There's nothing here. All right. 5 minutes. 5 minutes as well. But so mostly the 15 is what we're gonna focus on. All right. So let's look at it like this. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Do we have news today? Maybe keep an eye on this one. Yeah, definitely gonna mark that. Probably keeping an eye over here. One of those sell fell. I mean those buys fell. Buy, strong sell, sell off. Get a little retest. So keeping an eye on this one. This is gonna be the 5 minute, the 5 minute, 15 minute one. 15 minutes. All right, back to this 75, 50. The 50 seems to be acting up because it doesn't have this up here. 25. I'm gonna keep an eye on this area here. All right. Where's their news? Come out. Today is Thursday, 8:30. There's a lot of news tomorrow. Maybe this one. Maybe. I don't know. But pretty much it there. All right, let's add settlement price, and we're gonna keep it moving. Market opens up soon. All right, let's go to NQ. So that's pretty much it. Tough, really is. All right, stop. Let's go to VIX, and then we're gonna call it here. 30 minutes with the VIX. Just basically gonna mark the high and the low. See how price is opening around those levels, and then go from there. All right, let's put this to 2, and then we just wait for the market to fully open. Before we take any trades. Typically good trades come after 10. That's what I've been noticing. Everything comes in around after 10. You can go back and look at ES and see what was coming in, but I think after 10 most of the good trades and ideas work out well. Put this to 5. Then I'll be done. Put a Herod hiccup. Alright. So that's for sure. And then this one here, nothing really clear. Let's do 3, and then that's it. Alright, let me just stop there. Okay, open up soon. Going to just keep an eye on the market, see what I can find, see if things make sense. No need to rush to take any trades. Prices at last week's low, plus the 1 hour level, and Q. Let's see. NQ is below. No, NQ was at last week's low. Also, but a little higher, way up here. Okay, yes. Yes, it's just at it. Kind of like bounced off of it from going way lower. That's that VIX. And VIX is VIX is below it. Above it. Above it significantly. Okay. That's it. Let's try to make sense of some of this, but maybe buying might be in the books. 1 hour level it is, right? Looking for absorption here. Number goes back here. What's a gap? Touched it, refilled. So looking for absorption within 10 o'clock. And like I said, I think at 10 o'clock is when most of our trades came in. Look at yesterday. Actually, first trade came in at 9:38, but 10 o'clock reclaim here, down here 10:30, 10:30 retest there. All right, so okay. Anyways, I'm out. Catch you later.